I wanted to show you my rewards page for Subway. I like to get deals, and by signing up for apps for different restaurants that I frequent, I collect these rewards and get free food. So when you log into Subway, you'll originally create your profile page, and if you later need to edit it, you will go over, click on that little image icon there and go to customer profile. Make sure you enter your birthday on that profile. But when you log in, you'll see the main screen, which shows you the big deal that they're promoting at this moment. You can see this time you get a 6-inch sub, small drink, and chips or 2 cookies for $6.99. You can also go to the Deals tab, which is here, and view other deals that are available nationally. And then here's that deal that I just showed you. On the Rewards tab, you'll be able to see how many points you've accumulated. Every 400 points gives you $2 off. You can view the history. You can see there that I recently redeemed 400 points towards a purchase, and then all of the points that I've earned from eating at Subway. And then this will also give you the details about how it works. So you get 250 points for signing up. You redeem your points for Subway Cash towards purchases. Every year you get a birthday freebie on them, so that's a cookie that you can choose. You get access to exclusive Subway swag if you're a real fan of Subway and you want to show off your love for their subs with their gear. And then you get free chips on Fridays with any purchase. And then there are exclusive perks for members. We'll go back over here to my rewards. And as I showed you, you can view the history, but then you can see there that I've got my free birthday cookie that I haven't used yet. So I know that I need to use that soon or it will expire. And that's it. Go to the App Store and get the Subway app. That's the easiest way to use it. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.